Good evening to one and all, dignitaries on the dais and all the participants of one day international webcast on discovering new strategies for combating the imperative global economic slowdown. At this juncture, from the morning, all the participants are busy in viewing the plenary sessions by the renowned speakers on the topic on different issues. Keynote speech by Professor Henderson, first plenary session by Professor Suresh Raghavendra, and second plenary session by Dr. Suma Singh, who have thrown their thoughts and ideas on the topic, and they have guided so many strategies to come out with the existing difficulties. And now we are here to complete the program for the valedictory activity, and at this time I welcome all the dignitaries for this. At the outset, I take this opportunity to welcome chief guest of this valedictory function, Registrar Professor Basavaraj Padmashali sir. In spite of his busy schedule, because throughout the day so many activities, in spite of that he has accepted our invitation and he is going to be the chief guest of this valedictory function. Sir, on behalf of Rani Chennamma University's first grade constituent college and on behalf of PG Department of Commerce, I welcome you sir. Sir, welcome you. I also take this opportunity to welcome President of this valedictory function, Dr. M. Jayappa sir, Principal Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College and Special Officer of Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. Sir, you have supported us in organizing this function, and for this valedictory function, I welcome you on behalf of PG Department of Commerce. Sir, welcome you. I also take this opportunity to welcome Registrar Evaluation of our University, Professor S.M. Hurkadli sir, and Finance Officer Professor D.N. Patil sir, who are guests of honor for the valedictory function. Sir, I welcome you all for this valedictory function. I also take this opportunity to welcome the convener S. Ramesh sir and co-conveners Ashwini madam, Nadaf madam, Renuka madam and Najia madam, and even Anil Ramdurga for supporting in all the way. I welcome you all. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the participants for this valedictory session. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I request chief guest of this valedictory session, Professor Basavaraj Padmashali sir, Registrar Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi, Karnataka, India, to give his valedictory address. Sir, please sir.
Good evening everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Professor S.M. Urkadli, Registrar Evaluation, Professor D.N. Patil, Finance Officer, Professor M. Jayappa, Principal, Sangoli Rayanna First Grade College. It's a constituent college of Rani Chennamma University. Professor B.S. Navi, the convener of this one-day international webcast, and Dr. Ramesh S. of Mount Carmel College, who is the co-convener for this one-day international webcast. The faculty members of Department of Commerce, Sangoli Rayanna First Grade College. We are at the fag end of this one-day international webcast on discovering new strategies for combating the imperative global economic slowdown. I hope all of you have really benefited from this one-day international webcast. In the morning, in the inaugural session, Honorable Vice Chancellor has inaugurated this one-day international webcast, and this is followed by keynote address by Mr. Thomas Henderson, a mind specialist from International Mind Education Institute, South Korea. And the inaugural address was followed by two plenary sessions. Talk was given by Professor Suresh in plenary session 1 regarding rethinking, redesign and retranscendence for a new global business success. And in plenary session 2, Dr. Suma Singh, economist, Bangalore University, she has talked about emerging trends in the post-COVID era and policy responses. To summarize with my few lines, globalization was already in retreat in the pre-pandemic world. The lockdowns resulted in each nation for itself became yet another push for the forces of deglobalization. Yet, no nation, community, class, or group can fight this battle alone and hope to be safe. COVID 19 has thrown the world in strange, uncharted seas which we must learn to swim before we navigate. From the developed to the developing world, every nation is being forced to confront the glaring inadequacy of its public health infrastructure in the face of COVID 19 onslaught. The pandemic threat is not going away soon. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, several countries across the world resorted to lockdowns, flatten the curve of infection. These lockdowns meant confining millions of citizens to their homes, shutting down businesses, and seizing almost all economic activity. According to the International Monetary Fund (IMF), the global economy is expected to shrink by over 3% in 2020, the steepest slowdown since global depression in 1930s. The IMF's estimate of the global economy growing at 3% in 2020 is an outcome far worse than the 2009 global financial crisis. Economies such as the US, Japan and the UK, Germany, France, Italy and Spain are expected to contract this year also. Lockdowns are short-term solutions while we learn to organize ourselves around this battle. But even the most carefully assessed approach to easing up carries unforeseen risks. It's about crossing the river while feeling the stones. We are yet in the learning phase. Transparency is sharing information with effective communication within the organs of the state with the citizens is the need of the hour. Advanced economies have been hit harder and together they are expected to grow by -6% in 2020. Emerging markets and developing economies are expected to contract by -1%. If China is excluded from this pool of countries, the growth rate for 2020 is expected to be -2.2%. China's GDP dropped by 36.6% in the first quarter of 2020, while South Korea's output fell by 5.5%. Since the country didn't impose a lockdown but followed a strategy of aggressive testing, contact tracing and quarantining, any verdict on a slowdown has to decide on whether it is predominantly structural or predominantly cyclical. Whether structural or cyclical, the slowdown has to be combated at individual level by all the countries by discovering well-planned and well-coordinated monetary and fiscal strategies which should be effectively communicated in time. So far, all the participants, I think they have all of you have benefited immensely from this one-day international webcast. I thank the organizers, the principal, the faculty members and all the participants for registering and attending this one-day international webcast. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much for briefing about the webcast in a detailed manner, and the thoughts and ideas which you have given are going to support many of the related parties for overcoming these difficulties in the pandemic COVID-19. Sir, thank you so much. Now, I request the President of this valedictory session to give his presidential remarks.
Good evening, one and all. Respected Chief Guest of the valedictory function, Dr. Basuraj Padmashali, Registrar, Rani Chennamma University, Belgavi, and our Registrar Evaluation, S.M. Urkadli Sir, and our Finance Officer, D.N. Patil Sir, and our conveners, Navi, as well as Dr. Ramesh, and co-conveners, Ashwini, and Yasmin, and Nazia, and Renuka, and so our technical supported team, Rachaya, Santosh, and Shilpa, and Anil Ramdurg, others. So now we come to the conclusion of our one-day international webcast on discovering new strategies for combating the imperative global economic slowdowns. So this program is jointly organized by our college as well as Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. So this is benefited to all our academicians as well as research scholars and students. In that intention we organized and we can get a good feedback done by the participants. So on behalf of our Rani Chennamma University and Sangoli Rayanna First Grade College, on behalf of organizers, first of all I thank all the participants for this valedictory function. And also this program will be in the COVID-19. So due to this COVID-19, so the entire world will be facing a lot of difficulties in conducting various economic activities. So due to that reason, so our economic positions or the economic activities will be slowed down. So after this, so in what way thinking by the different countries to redesign and recovery. So in what way recovery the things. So the many countries come forward and announce the various packages to the needy people and redesign their economic levels. So due to this reason we can select this particular topic. So this topic will be very good topic as given by all our participants. So for this program will be success because of our university vice chancellor as well as registrars as well as our finance officers, and with the help of our conveners, co-conveners and the technical staff and teaching and non-teaching staffs. So with their support, so today we successfully organized this one day international webcast. So on this occasion, so once again I thank all the participants and those who are involved directly or indirectly supported to our this one day webcast. So I thank once again on behalf of Rani Chennamma University and Sangoli Rayanna First Grade College, on behalf of organizers, I thank to one and all. Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you so much for your presidential remarks. Now I request Yasmin Begum Nadaf to propose vote of thanks.
Good evening to all. One day international webcast on discovering new strategies for combating the imperative global economic slowdown was organized by PG Department of Commerce, Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College, Rani Chennamma University, in association with PG Department of Management, Mount Carmel College, Autonomous, Bengaluru. On behalf of, this is my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks. On behalf of PG Department of Commerce, on behalf of Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College and Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi, I feel proud and honored to propose vote of thanks to Professor M. Ramchandra Gowda Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi, for presenting inaugural address in this international webcast. Thank you, sir. I feel privileged to thank Mr. Thomas Anderson for accepting our invitation and delivering keynote address. Thank you, sir. On behalf of PG Department of Commerce, Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College, Rani Chennamma University, I feel happy to thank Professor Suresh Raghavendra sir for delivering his speech in plenary first session. Similarly, I extend my thanks to Professor Sushma Singh Madam for presenting her talk in plenary session 2. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my thanks to chief guest of this function, Professor Basavaraj Padmashali sir, Registrar, Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. Thank you, sir. I extend thanks to Professor S.M. Hurkadli sir, Registrar Evaluation, and Professor D.N. Patil sir, Finance Officer, Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi, for accepting our invitation as guest of honor. Thank you, sir. I extend my thanks to President of this function and webcast director, Dr. M. Jayappa sir. Thank you, sir, for presiding over the function. Similarly, I thank conveners of this program, Dr. B.S. Nami sir and Dr. S. Ramesh sir. Thank you, sir. I extend my thanks to co-conveners of this function, Ashwini madam, Nazia madam and Renuka madam. Similarly, I extend Thanks to Rachaya P. Sir, Santosh Rajput Sir and Shilpa Vasmani. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants, teaching and non-teaching staff, media people and all the people those who are indirectly or indirectly supported for the grand success of this international webcast. Lastly, I hereby request all the participants to fill the feedback form. Once you fill up your feedback form, all you are going to get the certificates in your respective mail. Thank you one and all.